The truth of why I'm in the chatbot industry is because of my co-founder, Matt Schlicht. He created Chatbots Magazine. He helped create the community way in the early days. And so I was honestly a little bit less knowledgeable in this space. And Matt showed me how the growth of messaging in places like China and others, and how messaging was changing the world of commerce and changing other industries. And it got me really fascinated. And over the course of a couple months, he was able to convince me, like, we got to go do this thing, Ben. And I'm like, all right, Matt. One of the biggest challenges in general for any company working in the world of bots is ROI. And so I feel like we saw a lot of hype in 2016. We all were talking about it. But the main reasoning of why other companies have not succeeded or not survived to this point is because they created bots that didn't have a financial ROI or some other type of ROI that you could measure against. And so by not having an ROI or not focusing on it, it did a discredit. You couldn't build a business on top of it. We've really figured out a way at Octane AI to drive real ROI for our customers, drive somewhere between 5 to over 20% of revenue or growth for them. And that's been really great. And that's kind of when the inflection point for our business started. I'm a catch-it-all at Octane AI, so it's a combination of really talking a lot with our customers and our agency partners and our partner program, thinking about the next versions of the product with my co-founder Matt, and going and just learning more about what is possible with bots and figuring out what are the things that our customers really want, and it's going to drive real value for them. If you're new and you're coming into the world of chatbots and bots in general, one, focus in on a specific use case. Don't be like, I'm going to build a bot platform. Everyone's done that. Focus in on a specific use case. We focused in on e-commerce. Go focus on your specific use case and go even deeper than you think you need to, and then expand from there. And then two, find a real ROI, use case. Drive some kind of value to your customer or to your users. Help them with signups. Help them with some kind of thing in their life. Solve a pain point. You do that, you can make money. One misconception I've seen a lot of people have about chatbots is that they need to have some kind of crazy AI to be really successful. They need to be your best friend. They need to answer all your questions as if it was a human being. We're not there yet. We will eventually get there, I believe. But you can drive real ROI and real value to the consumer, to your customers, with conversations that are structured, with a limited amount of AI, with very specific use cases especially. You could build really deep AI if you focus in on a vertical. We could not build an AI for every industry in customer support, but focusing in on e-commerce customer support, we were able to build an AI that is effective to answer up to 99% of customer questions for some of our customers. One interesting thing about some of the Dashbot speakers is that they are going really deep into specific aspects of AI or design. And I really like that. We can talk too much in generals and not talk enough in specifics of what should I actually do? How should I design my AI, my neural network, something like that. And a couple of speakers in the morning were really talking about that and talking about it across platforms, voice bots, Facebook Messenger bots, SMS, other kinds of bots. They're all across all these platforms. So the variety and the depth have been